Good morning, guys. Good morning. So, I got up a little late today because of not feeling that great last night. So, yeah, we actually had plans to step out and drive to Kasol and other nearby locations, but there's a change of plans because already we're running late. So, we are going to plan something else and probably explore something very, very close by that's probably walkable, or maybe we can get a ride. So yeah, it's an exciting day, but I'm feeling a little weak. Let's hope that I get back to my normal self. I'll just get some rest before I leave, and then yay, we'll explore something new today. Hello everyone. So today I've been resting for major part of the day. I think it was needed after a week long of hustle over here, trying to explore places, trying to adjust to the climatic changes, and managing office on the side. Of course, like primarily office, yes, but at the same time, other activities in my day-to-day routine over here have taken a lot of my energy all these days. So yeah, it was much needed, and I'm all set, at least a lot better than before. So yeah, now I'm heading out for lunch, you can say so, but one can barely call it lunch because it's late right now, but I feel hungry. So yeah, I'm going to try some food. I can actually try thukka right now. Thukpa. It's a little tricky to pronounce. I often mistake it to, I call it thukpa. I don't know, it's tricky. So yeah, it's spelled as THUKPA, thukpa. So I'm going to try that today. Let me see which cafe can actually offer me some thukpa. So the girls are actually asleep still, and I thought I should step out and enjoy some good food. Let's see. So guys, I've decided to try something over here. It seems pretty popular, so I'm going to try and find out what all I can try here.
So guys, since I wanted to try thukpa, but this was not really the place which could offer me thukpa, a proper authentic one. So I decided to try what they had, something really special. So yeah, this is Dylan's Cafe in Old Manali, and I'm going to try something out here today. Also, I really like the overall theme of this restaurant, the feel of it, the colors. It was so good to see a small cafe or restaurant like this for people who enjoy reading books and hanging out with their friends and trying new dishes, trying new food, trying new kinds of coffees. So, yeah, this was a very, very exciting place to be. And I was, in fact, ready to order right after I was done looking around.
So guys, since it's already 4 o'clock and I'm not that hungry, I decided to go with some veg sandwich and a masala chai, which I'm very fond of tea. Those who know me personally would actually second this thing, that I'm very, very fond of tea. I don't drink tea way too often, like I'm not addicted, but I enjoy having a hot cup of tea, maybe once a day or twice a day. Yeah. So I'm just waiting for my order, and once I get my tea and my sandwich, I'm gonna enjoy it because I'm actually hungry and I wasn't feeling well. So I'm like hungry as well as hoping to eat something nice and warm. Guys, my sandwich is here, and you won't believe it looks so yummy. Let me give you a quick glimpse of it.
sandwich. It's a vegetable sandwich. So guys, I'm actually having my sandwich. I'm done with eating half of it. The remaining half is still left. It is one of the most different. Actually, I haven't had any sandwich of this kind. It's got a lot of seeds and it's crisp, and the vegetable mix is here. And my tea is here. That's masala chai. Of course, it's a coffee mug, but yeah. So I'm gonna enjoy this. Almost finishing up with the chai, but I'm half done with the sandwich and you won't believe it's still there. It's like so much of it's still there. It's a tummy full sandwich. One of the really interesting ones that I've had here in Manali. In fact, it's the first kind of sandwich that I've tried here in Manali. So yeah, I recommend it. It's quite tasty and it's unique in its own way. Like, it's not like a regular sandwich. When I ordered, I expected a regular sandwich, but this looks yummy and it tastes yummy as well. So if you're coming anytime to Manali, I think this is one place that you can try. And yeah, it's a lovely place that you can see.
Hello everyone, so I'm at Dylan's Coffee House and I have with me here Mr. Rajan. So why don't you tell us all about your cafe and the lovely story that you actually told me offline?
Tons of stories, but only story is that how we started the Dylan's Cafe. It's after the great legend Bob Dylan's name. It's after his name.
Oh wow.
Bob Dylan is the only musician till the history today who got the Nobel Prize. Never happened any musician.
No musician, absolutely.
So they're different, but he's recognized what his poetry says. So he's not a great singer, but he's
I'm very fond of poetry. very fond of
So
poetry.
his poetry is world famous. Like the way
So guys, I'm done with some munching and some, like really good sandwich and some chai. Now I'm heading back to the hotel. And I'm gonna figure out what to do next because it's Saturday, girls. Let's see what my girls are up to back in the room because they've been asleep all day today. So I'm gonna figure out if they have actually had the time to think about what to do next, or if at all they've tried to, figure out any new place. In the meantime, I went and explored this one.
So, since everyone was in a lazy mood and a relaxing zone the entire day, I think it was good to wrap up the day with some light dinner and some time by the bonfire. Yeah, and that's how it was. It was good sitting next to bonfire and enjoying some good music and just relaxing. Well, it was a good day.
हेलो गाइस, सो आज का दिन तो पूरा मैक्सिमम टाइम आराम ही किया है because I was not feeling that well, but I did happen to step out in the evening and enjoyed my masala tea at that place. So yeah, it was a day well spent in a way because after one entire week of hustle, you do need some rest. So yeah, so tomorrow is a very exciting day and we've planned to step out and visit a nearby location which is Kasol, and we're also heading out to a very nice place which is very close to Kasol, but I'm going to reveal that in my next video, so you'll have to actually come back to watch that in my next video. Until then, I wish you good night and stay tuned for another video coming right your way. Alright, so I'm gonna call it a night for tonight, and you guys take care, and you live destinations, you live them with Akriti. See you guys.